Tired of overcrowded societies, no privacy and tiny living spaces? What if I tell you that you could live in a low-density society with only 2 apartments per floor and possession in just 2 years? Hi everyone, I'm Shreya from Investor Expert, and today we are at ATS Destinaire, where luxury, privacy and comfort are the priority. For easy understanding, we have divided this video into 4 parts: the location, the features, the amenities and the prices, so that you can make an informed decision. Location की बात करें, then it is located in Sector 1 of Greater Noida West. So if you're coming from Central Noida, then Hinton Bridge से क्रॉस करते ही आपको मिलेगा ATS Roundabout. वहाँ से you have to take a right and Gores के मलबरी मैंशन से होते हुए आपको आगे बढ़ना है. बिस्तर की ओर लेफ्ट लेते ही आपको मिलेगी हमारी ATS Destinaire की बिल्डिंग. This particular project is about 5 kilometers from Sector 79, making it quite accessible from Central Noida. The nearest metro station would be Sector 76, which is about 6 kilometers, and DND flyover is around 15 minutes. So extremely convenient for families because we have around 20 to 24 big schools, all functional under 4 kilometers radius. यहाँ पे you will find Yatharth Hospital, New Med Hospital, all under 10 minutes. With that, the amenities की बात करें, then this beautiful project spans across 8.24 acres with a total of 14 towers and 740 exclusive units. But here's the catch. Now only 2 towers are left, one offering 3 BHK apartments and the other offering 4 BHK apartments. With a G+26 floor structure and with just 2 apartments per floor, this is a very low density project which will give you ultra peace and privacy, making it one of the most sought after developments in this area. Plus cross-ventilated homes and 2 side open slats make it perfect for your sunrise and sunsets. Key features की बात करें तो focusing on 2 apartments per floor, which will ensure maximum privacy and minimal disturbance. A very beautiful 25,000 square feet clubhouse with all the amenities you can imagine. And 3 entry and exit points which will ensure smooth traffic flow. With that, I would like to talk about one very unique feature of this particular project, that is a 4.78 acres of forest developed using the Miyawaki technique, which is used in Japan, which I'll show you just now. और अब आ गए हैं हम अपने Miyawaki forest पे. Now let me take you on a small tour and see how beautiful this forest is. Come. Coming to the typology here, you can choose from a 3 BHK plus servant जिसका size होगा 1900 square feet और a 4 BHK plus servant जिसका size होगा 2550 square feet, and you can get possession in just 2 years. You will be amazed by the spacious layout, natural light and the premium finishes that this developer is giving. So if you're looking for a luxury home that offers ample privacy, space and quick possession, this is the one for you. But hurry up, because only 2 towers are now left and they won't last long. For more information on the prices, layouts, typology or the location, contact Investor Experts today. Our experts will help you make the right choice. And for more real estate guidance, make sure you stay tuned to Investor Expert, where we cover all the top projects and help you make the best decision. Keep watching Investor Expert, making home buying easy.